Hello friends, this is Astrologer Mohnish and thank you for watching my videos on Vedic Astrology. In this video, I will be sharing with you one of the most secret, powerful, yet very simple technique and method to know the color of your aura. Your aura is the biomagnetic field of energy, what you exhibit to the outer world. And if you don't know anything about it, here you can see there are 7 chakras in your body. Each represents a particular field of energy, the bioenergy, as per the yoga, tantra, meditation. And this is the energy vortex which creates our aura. What is being manifested or being represented or being perceived by the outer world. And how to know the color of your aura? I will share with you a very simple technique. It's very secret, but yet very powerful technique. And second thing is, the same represents your Ishta Devta also. So in Vedic text, we know that there's an Isht Devta, the ruling deity or the god, which is your spiritual, which is connected to your spiritual soul, let's say that. And that Isht Devta or the deity is, if you worship them, is your soul guide. It helps you remove all the obstacles of life and also gets you out of the vicious cycle of life and death. That means it helps you attaining the moksha, the liberation. So in Vedic text, we call it Isht Devta. Many people who are connected with the Hinduism, they know about it. But regardless, even if you don't want to know the Isht Devta or whom you should be worshipping, who's your deity, this video will help you to understand which is the most prominent chakra, the energy vortex you have, and what are you presenting to the outer world. So here's the technique. You need to sit in a dark room in a cross-legged position, just like as you do the yoga. Dark, quiet room. And then bring your concentration, your focus on the tip of your nose. Both eyes is looking at the nose, the tip of the nose. You should be relaxed. Inhale a few times, exhale a few times. Let go all the tension of your body and your mind, no stresses. And then bring the attention towards the tip of your nose. Your both eyes looking at there. And then take your right thumb, if you are a man, or a left thumb, if you're a woman, and place it on the middle of your both eyebrows, right like this, middle of your 2 eyebrows. That is the third eye chakra. And then slowly close your eyes. And then inhale and exhale. Slowly, very slowly, no thought process, no stress, no tension in your mind. You should not be distracted. And as you close your eyes, wait and sit in that position for 3 minutes. Again, your focus is right here. Your eyes are closed. Right thumb if you're a man, left thumb if you're a woman. You should sit in that dark place, dark so that there's no outside light is coming in, for at least 3 to 4 minutes. Now you will notice there is a color appearing on your forehead, and you will see that through your own eyes, which is closed, but you can feel that color is being projected on your forehead. It's very powerful technique. That is the color of your soul or the aura, which is being represented by one of your chakras. And that means that color is very prominent in your own personality, in your own aura, and you must calibrate that color, that chakra, to get you the maximum gains in your life. Your confidence, your ability to do more, your ability to be a leader, no fears, no challenges, no barriers, no physical or psychological obstacles. So once you calibrate that chakra, that means you're calibrating your own aura and how you want to be perceived by the world. So that is the color you need to notice. And I will show you and share with you the slides right now that what colors you can see and what does it mean. But if you see no color, don't get disheartened. No color means, the black means Lord Shiva, that you have a special grace of Lord Shiva. Your Kapal is very activated and you have very intuitive and strong intuitions. And that also means that your Ishta Devta, the god whom you should be worshipping, is Lord Shiva. Okay? And if you don't want to worship Lord Shiva, if you don't believe or do not practice the Hindu religion, then you can even start calibrating the chakras, which are in my next slide. So what colors you may see? You may see orange color, which is represented by sun. And then that means your third eye chakra is more active, and you need to focus on this chakra whenever you're doing meditation, yoga, or any spiritual practices. And the Ishta Lord is Sita, who is the wife of Lord Rama, as per the Vedic text, and Radha ji is the lover of Lord Krishna. So the orange means sun. If you see the silver white, like a silver white color on your forehead, that is represented by moon. Again, it is represented by Lord Shiva, which means the Kapal, the Sahasrara chakra, right on the middle of the skull, where the skull joint is. If you put your hand here, you will see there's a little dent on the skull, which means a Kapal. That is where the two skulls are being joined. And there's a lot of significance of that, which I will speak in one of my next videos. If you see deep red, then you need to, the planet Mars is very active in your body, and the ruling lord becomes Lord Hanumana, Isht Devta becomes Lord Shiva, and then you should be worshipping the throat chakra, or we call it Vishuddha chakra. Similarly, green means Mercury is very strong. Goddess Durga is very strong in you. Isht Devata becomes Lord Ganesha, and then you are worshipping, or you are calibrating the sacral chakra or Swadhishtha chakra in your body. So there are 7 chakras. There's a picture at the end of the slides, or you can search for it more, how you can balance and calibrate these chakras. I may also give you some of the tantric ways of doing it, but this is how you can get a first foundational knowledge of what your aura is and what is your body is exhibiting based on the technique what I'm sharing with you. Now, if you see yellow, then Jupiter is very prominent, and the Anahata chakra is very strong in your body, and you can calibrate it to make sure that it is smooth, it has no blockages, and it is giving you the right results. And this is the chakra which will give you the best for you in your life if you calibrate it and balance it very well. Lord Ganesha becomes your Ishta, and again, the ruling lord is also Lord Ganesha. Dark orange, so Venus has 2 colors. One is dark orange, which is ruled by goddess Lakshmi. The Ishta becomes goddess Durga in this case also. And the chakra is the Manipura chakra, which is solar plexus. And you need to calibrate it, focus on it when you're meditating or doing the yoga practices. This is the chakra which needs balancing. Balancing means it's already active. All you need to do is make sure it's not overactive or it's not dormant. It's just needs a calibration so that you can get maximum returns and the maximum gains, and also find that your aura is giving you that confidence and agility and resilience to live in this world, and also how people perceive you. Okay, so this is your color of your aura. That is the most important thing, part of your bio energies. So if you see the red, blood red, so this is deep red, this is blood red. It is also ruled by Venus. Now, goddess Kali rules it. That's why it's a blood red. And Isht Devata is again goddess Durga. Muladhara, the root chakra, that is very, very strong in your body, and that needs to be calibrated. Muladhara chakra, it handles your dominance, your aggression, your sexual activities also. So that is the chakra. If you balance, you become very strong in your leadership qualities and also become very strong leader in your life. Okay, and going forward, if you see the black or the deep blue color, that means your Saturn planet is very active. Okay, so again, go back to the slides. First, you see which planet is active, very active in your life. That is representing your aura. And then you can see the Isht Devata, whom you should be worshipping. If you are worshipping the Isht Lords, who is your spiritual god or spiritual deity. And then if you are not worshipping spiritual devatas, then you can even follow the chakras and start calibrating them, meditate on those chakras, remove the blockages, visualize they've been cleansed, and there's no dust, dirt, or any blockages remaining or happening on those chakras. Chakras are the 7 energy pools of your body. So if you see the deep blue or the black, it says Saturn, ruled by Bhairav, and Isht Devta is Lord Shiva again. Again, it rules your Muladhara, the root chakra. Now, if you see the brown and the dusty color, like sand, dusty, brownish color, that means Rahu planet is very active in your aura, in your energy field. And the Rahu Dev is the ruling rod for the Rahu. And again, the Ishta Lord is Lord Shiva, with river Ganges flowing out of his kapal, from his head. So that is again the crown chakra, the kapal we call it, where the two skulls join here. This is a very important point in your body. This is a kapal, we call it. This is all the siddhis, all the tantric siddhis, all the information what you need from this universe comes from this point. And every human being has it. If you notice, especially if you put your hand here, right from the middle of your eyebrows, go back, you will see there's a dent. And that dent is the place where two skulls are connected. And that is the antenna or a receptor which is actually connecting you with the outer universe. So that is why if you open this chakra, you literally become a superhuman. You literally become a god, a devata, which is not easy, but yet you're going to do that. Everything is possible. Now, if you see the black and white and grayish color, then the Ketu planet, the south node of the moon, is more active in your chart. And then it's been ruled by Lord Ganesha. You must worship Lord Ganesha. And then you can also balance the Swadhisthana chakra, the sacral chakra of your physical body. And here's the complete picture of what each of the chakra does. Like root chakra is I am, sacral is I feel, solar is I do, heart is I love, throat is I speak, third eye is I see, and the crown chakra, which is the kapal, is I understand. So this is what you need to do. There are many techniques in Vedic astrology which teaches you about how to find your Isht Devata. But the technique I'm giving you here is the most secret technique, is the most powerful technique and the most time-tested technique, because here you're not seeing your charts, the 5th house or the D9 chart or the D60 chart. You are literally experiencing yourself sitting in the quiet and the dark, that who is your Isht Devata. And once you know that, you can literally transform your life. You can literally connect with your Ishta Devata. You can literally connect with your chakras. You can literally cleanse your aura. And you can literally start feeling that which planet is most dominant or most significant or most powerful in your bioenergy. And then once you know that, you can utilize that power in your strength. Mercury for voice, Venus for love and harmony and romance, Saturn for working harder, for discipline, Mars for being a person connected to the leadership roles, Sun for enlightenment, politics, again leadership, and Moon for emotional well-being, nurturing, right? So Jupiter for gains in the education, knowledge, teaching, preaching. It's very simple. It's very simple. So again, Vedic astrology is the only science which can help you transform your life right from the beginning till the end. There is no other science as fascinating and as accurate as the Vedic astrology. I'm Astrologer Mohnish. Until next time, God bless you, and I will be seeing you very soon in my next video. Thank you and take care.